guys, I just saw Chris Appleton post this new product from Color Wow. It's the Color Control Purple Toning and Styling Foam. And it's supposed to eliminate brassiness and yellow tones, and my hair is very brassy and very yellow tones. So let's go see if it's going to fix it. Okay, I just washed my hair and towel dried it a little bit. This says to shake well. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it right on my hair. Oh, it's foaming. Oh yeah, you can tell it's already changing. And you're gonna blow dry this into your hair. So it's like a styling foam, but it tones at the same time. So you just put this in, brush it through, and then blow dry it into the hair. And it's like purplish. You can tell it's gonna tone the hair. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry my hair and I'll be right back. I just finished blow drying my hair, and what the heck? It is so icy. You just put it in and blow dry it in, and it literally gives me this perfect icy blonde, as if I just got it toned, but I didn't. Run.